The world has witnessed a huge economic shock due to the COVID 19 pandemic. In India, the lockdown started across the country on March 24 and is still ongoing. Many commentators have highlighted the plight of the poorest sections of society, particularly migrants who are trudging miles to be back home, having lost their daily wages and now depend on either the government support or private charity for food and shelter. While the impacts will be felt by most households almost immediately, they will likely be deeper and longer lasting among the poor, who are more vulnerable for several reasons: where they live, where they work, limited savings, and lack of access to insurance. The experience of affected countries suggests that the incidence and impacts of COVID 19 can vary significantly across space and over time, with urban areas being the hardest hit initially.
Hi, my name is Richa, and I will answer the question how COVID 19 has affected the poor people around us. First of all, when the COVID 19 was declared as a pandemic, lockdowns were declared in India. Not only the poor people, but also the capable people of the society were not prepared for this pandemic. During this lockdown, the poor people, not just the poor people, many have lost their jobs. The first thing that came out was unemployment. The suicide rates in India have grown because of this pandemic, because it has caused mental stress to many who are not able to meet with the requirements of them and their families. The greatest impact was on the livelihood of the poor people. They had nothing to be called as savings that they could use during these days of lockdown to meet with their requirements. Now recently, many cases came out of suicides of students who were unable to attend their online classes because of not having a smartphone in their hand. The things that can be done to help them are, if we have many or like a few number of students who are unable to attend their online classes because of not having a smartphone, we can gather them somewhere like nearby, keeping in mind all the protection measures introduced, like wearing a mask, use of sanitizers, and giving out them, like teaching them or giving them free classes so that they are not suffering those mental stress during this time. We can give out masks and sanitizers to the underprivileged people around us so that they are protected from this pandemic, at least to some extent to which we can. Giving out food that has a longer period of time before they perish, for example biscuits, or like avoiding giving we should avoid to give something that needs to be cooked, for example fruits, but the fruits need to be in a condition that they can have, not something that has started to perish. Packed juice bottles and also water bottles to keep them hydrated, ORS packets. The least that we can do for the people around us is that help them face this pandemic and help lessen their stress levels so that they can at least like don't take up some steps which are wrong.